Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character jiāng, jiàng, or qiāng. Step by step, I will first write it in standard script, then following 2 words and 1 sentence. Without further ado, let's write. This is a polyphone. It can be pronounced as jiāng, jiàng, or qiāng, according to different context. As jiāng, it means will, to take, or just a short while ago. As jiàng, it means the king, to lead. As qiāng, it means to desire, to invite. 将进酒. Now check the following words. 将来, jiāng lai, in the future. 老将, 老将, the old general. Here is a sentence. Keep the book well for future reference. 把书收好，以便将来作为参考。Keep the book well for future reference. Keep the book well for future reference. 把书收好。收好，以便将来作为参考。把书收好，以便将来作为参考。把书收好，以便将来作为参考。Keep the book well for future reference. 把书收好，以便将来作为参考。My casual handwriting on the character jiāng. Jiāng, will, to take. Jiàng, king, to lead. qiāng, to desire, to invite. 将来, in the future. 老将, the old general. Keep the book well for future reference. 把书收好，以便将来作为参考。将、将、枪 Please comment any sentence with the character jiāng. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.